Hello everyone, this is the solar panel setup at my house that I've got. This is at an elevation of 9 feet. It's got about 7 panels, 3.7 kilowatt. Each panel is 530 watt, a Jinko made panel, and each panel has got its own micro inverter that's the end phase inverter that I've installed. So this is the half an HP motor that I've got for the sprinkler system. It is got its timer. So I've got this timer from Amazon. I have set certain programs for it to run in the midnight or at 2 o'clock on a daily basis. Okay, then this is the water system. So this is where it gets the water from. Uh, the pipe, the water comes in from the overhead tank, and then it goes through a filter so that any sediments are there, then it can just remove out there. So you might need a plumber's help to set it up. So it comes here. It use a reduction valve over here and connects to an LDPE pipe, which is then connected to a set of sprinklers on the top. So the sprinkler that I'm using is from Zoom. Okay, so yeah, it's a good sprinkler set, I would say. It's easy to connect. It just clips onto the panel like you see over here, and it's simple. And then the pipe also can go in it. It has as a holder for the pipe, and then there are certain drain clips I've kept in so that the water just flows out and there is no water standing on the panel. Okay, let me just turn it on. Oh yeah, and then use the same thing for watering my plants as well. So for the coconut tree, it just pours in water in the midnight. There you see it's sprinkling all over the panels. Yeah. So yeah, this is the entire setup. You can see that the drain clip just it just makes way for the water, and the entire panel is cleaned in less than 30 seconds. Alright, here this is how it looks. Yeah, but the thing is, it will remove the sediments on a daily basis, but it will get accumulated out here, irrespective of what we do. So a weekly clean with a mop is required, so that the efficiency of the panel is good. Okay, here it is, the drain clips. So it just doesn't let the water stay. If you see over here, there is certain water that stays on. Probably I need to put in 2 clips per panel, or I don't know, it just slides through. So that's how it stands. Okay, and then this is just my initial setup, DIY setup that I had done for charging the inverter, the home inverter. So yeah, that's the other one. These panels are from Longi, and they're about 430 watts each, just used for charging the batteries, which is a different setup altogether. Okay, so these are the 2 sticks that I had purchased for cleaning. This was the initial one, but this doesn't have length to clean the entire panel. So that is where I did a bit of research on, and then found this from Amazon. This is the brand. The stick is sturdy. Once you extend, you can use it for cleaning your solar panel. The thing is, this moving little piece of the joint, this is what helps a lot. It's flexible and it helps in cleaning. So you can extend the stick to about, I think, 10 feet, or at least whatever is my requirement, I can do it. And well, yeah, it gives a good clean. So I do this fortnightly and every Sunday. So that's one of the job I've got now. And yeah, so that's a very quick brief. The other thing about the sprinkler is that the timer, when I set it, sometimes I set it twice, for just for a few seconds, so that the pigeons or the birds that are there, they just fly away, because those are the guys who keep on doing something on the panel, let's say.